In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to kill the particles when they exit the volume force. As you see in the example, the particles when they exit the volume force, they are died. So let's do that. So let's click there and create new scene. And let's create a particle emitter. Let's go to create emitter and let's click create. And let's disable the nucleus gravity. I don't want them to fall down. And you see I have simple emitter. And let's apply a turbulence by selecting that, and let's go to fields and solvers and let's click on turbulence. And I want to change the shape to volume. Let's change it to cube. You can choose any shape you want. So let's make it a little bit bigger. And now let's go up and increase the magnitude and increase the frequency a little bit more. As you see now, the particles has turbulence on them. So let's write the expression. Let's select the particles, and the first thing we need to do is to change that to lifespan pp only, and let's scroll down. So let's right click and choose creation expression for now, and we can change that there. We need to change this time runtime after dynamics because we have a force. So, and now let's type it. We can see or search the function there, but it's really hard to find that there. Let's type it manually. So let's type if in particle shape 1, let's make it a little bit bigger, in particle shape 1 dot input force, F with capital, force and square brackets 0. So why it's 0? Because this is the first field I applied on the n particle. So if you apply another field, you need to call that 1. Okay, so because we have just 1, it's 0. So let's set square brackets now, and now less than 1. So I want to kill the particles when the force on the particles are less than 1. So why less than 1? When the particles are inside the volume, they are 1. And when they are outside, they are 0. That's why we are telling if they are less than 1, kill them. So let's go to the next line and let's type curl parentheses and let's type in particle shape 1 dot life span pp now equal to -1 and semicolon and close the curly parentheses and semicolon again. So now if I hit create, we don't get any error. So let's go back and play that and see. As you see now, the particles are killed when they exit the volume. So see you another time.